Hey guys, this is the Amazon's Fire TV stick and you're watching Techtopics. In this video, I'm gonna show you the box components of the Fire TV stick and I'll also show you the setup process on my TV. So stick to this video till the end. As you can see at the box, this is the 3rd generation 2021 model by Amazon. It supports many OTT platforms like the obvious one, which is the Amazon's own Prime Video, YouTube, Z5, Sony Live, Voot, Discovery Plus and many more. It surprisingly also supports Apple TV. The Fire TV stick also have the Alexa voice remote, which I'll show you ahead in this video. As you can see at the box, you get two AAA batteries, a power adapter, a USB cable and a HDMI extender cable. It also supports Dolby audio with a 1080p resolution and it also have a quad-core MediaTek processor. Now let's get the Fire TV stick out of the box. So let's do the unboxing. You have another box inside the first, and the first thing which I see was the Fire TV stick itself. At the first look, there is nothing fancy at the Fire TV stick. It has a simple rectangular design with a HDMI output and a micro USB for power delivery. The second thing is the micro USB cable. It's a good sturdy cable which will not break easily, and it's also for the power delivery. The third thing is the Alexa voice remote, which has a good looking design. Also has a integrated button from Prime Video, Netflix, Prime Music and a configurable button to launch other apps. It also has Alexa voice button which you can use to ask Alexa to search things for you. After that, there is an HDMI extender in case if your TV have HDMI at the back of it. But I have a concern that the cable is not flexible enough, but it's alright and not much to be concerned of. You get two AAA batteries and a power adapter. There are total of 6 components you get inside the box. And now I think it's enough talking about the box and the hardware stuff. Let's jump right into the TV experience of the Fire OS. So this is how the Fire OS looks in the TV, and the boot animation is really nice. There are 2 updates available out of the box, and I have already updated it and it took me around 15 minutes to finish the updates. The fluidity of the UI is amazing, and I have installed the YouTube app and it happened instantly within seconds. There are very few lags which can happen very rarely, and it's acceptable for the TV streaming device. The Fire TV stick really changes the experience of how you're gonna use your TV. The Amazon's App Store has a large growing list of apps and services, so you can stream contents from number of sources. With this, it's time to end this video. I have not shown you the setup process of the Fire OS, but if you want to see it, then you also have to do the process, which is liking this video, commenting and pressing the bell icon for future updates. I hope you like the video and I'll keep working on improving the quality, and if you want me to make a video on some other topic, just leave a comment. This is Techtopics signing out.